Rashida Jones, and I am here with Glamour for These Girls. I'm one of these girls.
Glamour magazine's These Girls.
These girls.
These girls.
These girls.
These girls.
These girls.
Glamour puts on these incredible girl-powered different projects. We have such a cool group of girls. I love it.
Nobody told them how to write, what to write, or what they were thinking. Will you direct this evening? It was like a no-brainer. It's like, absolutely.
These girls deserve my all-time favorite word, which is fan-fucking-tastic.
There have been so many fresh young voices tonight, and I'm here to represent the older, staler voices. I would first like to point out how foxy Gloria Steinem was. No, brah. I don't care. I'm beautiful.